Hi, good evening everybody. My name is Anwar Subahan. I'm from Zafeera's fine Malaysian Indian restaurant. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a very popular Malaysian dish called prawn sambal. Let me share with you my experience, how Zafeera's came about. Actually, it's my late daughter's name, Zafeera. I lost a child when she was just 1 year old. So just to have her in, always on our mind, we thought we'll name the restaurant as Zafeera's, and that's how we chose the name Zafeera's Fine Malaysian Indian Cuisine. Alright, so going back a little bit, I was originally from Sydney. Now that I'm in Melbourne, but this is I'm talking about some 20 years ago. So I was in Sydney where I studied, and my first profession was as an accountant, which after about 2 or 3 years of working, I realized that I'm not a guest-oriented person, and I always had this passion for opening a restaurant. This is in a city, not very far from the city. We're just about 10-15 minutes from the city. So we've got a loyal, established clientele here who are very supportive of us, and it's an ongoing business at the moment. So whenever you have got time, please, or whenever you're in this side of town, do drop in for a wonderful Malaysian home-style meal in a warm, friendly, family atmosphere. Thank you.